Hey everybody, this is Jenna with Uncomplicated Kitchen, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make some super crunchy, very flavorful pan toasted croutons. This recipe is ideal for when you've got bread hanging around that's a little past its prime, but it's still got loads of life left. So what we need to do is we need to cube up about 1 cup of bread. You can use any kind of bread you want. Even pre-sliced bread will work just fine. Rolls, croissants, you name it, go for it. So I've just got a regular Italian loaf here. So I'm just gonna cut it until it's in about 1-inch cubes. The size is up to you, just make sure you do it evenly so they'll all cook at the same rate. This bread's not quite perfectly stale, it's half there. And we're gonna cut them the other way. As long as they're mostly even, you're gonna be all right. All right, the next thing that you can do is add all that bread into a bowl. We need to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, big pinch of salt, and then whatever other seasonings you like. I really like granulated garlic, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, now we're gonna toss that around. So make sure that the oil, the salt, and the garlic are evenly distributed. Our pan is preheated to medium, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add that bread in. Make sure to get it in a single layer or work in batches. So I can smell that the bread is starting to toast. What we wanna do is give it a flip every minute or so. This should take about 5 minutes until all the sides are nice and golden brown. So I guess we just gotta wait now. Just tossing these around, getting that part that is cooked really nicely on the top, so the next side can start browning. And remember, because we have tossed this bread with oil, we should not need to add anything else, but if you feel like some are really dry, all you gotta do, add a bit more oil. So once these are completely cool, if you're not planning on eating them immediately, which we mostly always do, you can store them in an airtight container for up to 2 days and they should still taste their absolute best. Well, you did it, you made croutons. Should I eat one now? I should totally eat one now. They're so good. Until next time, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Bye.